Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here we can see sound, vibration and silent mode. Just to turn on silent mode, we should switch sound to the silent. We can see here that the ringtones and messages and notifications, they are muted when the silent mode is activated. So just one will turn it off. So we should switch it to the sound, and ringtones and notifications, they will ring. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts and you will see here this sound icon. Just click here on the sound icon twice, and now silent mode is activated. To turn it off, we should click here on the sound icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.